Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with both workbooks open. This saves clicks and prevents broken paths. First, pick the exact cell or table you want a link and optionally create a named range for clarity. Next, choose the easiest link, a direct cell reference when you need single values, a table link for ranges, or Power Query when you want refreshable, transformed data. Once decided, position the target workbook and we will insert the link immediately. No extra setup required. Now create the actual connection. For a quick value, type equals in the target cell and click the source cell in the open workbook. Excel writes the external reference automatically, which keeps live updates. If you need a range, turn the source into a table so references use table syntax and resize safely. For recurring or complex imports, go to Data, Get Data, and choose from Workbook. Power Query pulls, shapes, and lets you refresh on demand. Make sure links point to the correct workbook path. Finish by saving both files in a permanent folder so Excel stores a stable path. Relative paths are ideal when files move together. Then test the link. Change a source value, and in the target use data refresh all, or simply reopen. Updates should appear. If a link breaks, open both workbooks and use data edit links to change source or break and re-establish the reference. One quick tip: always reopen both files when moving folders to reset link paths reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.